Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the software requirement analysis for the dental clinic management system with SMS feature. The software requirements are Windows, Mac OS and Linux OS, the feasibility study, the executive summary, the executive summary, the doctors and practice managers can organize patients' records, human radiographs, that means the X-rays, plan the treatment and the prescriptions, handle the billing, scheduling or rescheduling appointments, manage HR requirements, lab work management, and do much more with us. The ultimate purpose of the software is to save time and effort and estimate the needs for manual data entry and manual tracking by automating all the management process. The description of product and service. The patient management software system features and benefits. It refers to all number of efficient automated systems designed for tracking patient information, diagnosis, prescriptions, interactions, and encounters within healthcare organizations like medical clinic or hospitals. Technology considerations. As business reliance that on technology grows, the needs of the source and product sensitive information becomes even more critical. The most of the business are not equipped or handle data breaches. Often, small business owners underestimate how vulnerable they are really are, are to cybersecurity threats. As bigger companies have increased their cybersecurity, hackers have begun to target small business more. Once attacked, more than half of the small business shut down within 6 months. Earning back customer trust is tricky, and fixing the damage just cost too much for the most of the companies. Product or service marketplace. Now we can see about product or service marketplace. The software maintaining crucial data to manage the software is built in such a way to considering high demand of quality softwares to maintain data. This product will surely own a big space within few days to launch. This says that it has more security and it will have more demand when it comes to the product. Marketing strategy. The software mainly focuses on the buyer who are big shots on the field, because when we sell this to the small companies, then we won't get much satisfied, because when we give this project to the small companies like small hospitals, like something or any hospitals, we give like that, then this technology will not go so far. Only it will be in the hospital. When we give to the international hospitals, they will copy from the international hospitals. More often, the small hospitals used to copy the technology which the international hospital has. So when we give this project to the big shots like the big hospitals, it will be easy for us to get this project to worldwide. Focusing these brings the name quality. See, that's what I'm saying. Name quality of the software, which is automatically raises the bar of the software in the market. This strategy is a big deal for the software organizing or staffing. The main staffing works on the software is maintenance of the latest update. So the number of man force required for the software is very less. This is very less. When we often the maintenance break, this is the maintenance break, maintenance for the latest update, because we should update the software whenever it is required to update. Schedule. The proper maintenance of the software as schedule is necessary. Financial projects. The budget of the software spending is high, but compared to the long term use and the need of the very less workforce to maintain perfectly manages the high investment spends. The financial projects will be a profit if we consider the use of the long term. This says that if we use the short-term project, that means that I'm going to use the software for only 5 months. Like that, if they comes, it will be considerable for them. But yeah, if we have um, more long time process, that means that 5 years project, like 10 years project or lifetime project, that means it will be, the budget will be very concerned, because we will give like a discount, like that. It just says. Finding and recommendations. There are already existing softwares related to this, such one as MyCAD. This is a software which is already required here. It's already existing, and ActiveX. But the professional maintains the marketing strategy, makes the software far better than to existing ones. We can give the better software, better than this ActiveX and MyCAD. We are working on it. We can see about the functional requirements of this software. The way the software functions: creates an account for every user that access the data management server, checks the server, checks and saves the patient records such as vitals, and other records such as hospital bill is stored for later use. The authorized personnel of this management can access the data they need, and can also send the SMS to a receiver with SQL tabulated data of the specific part. Report generations of SRS. The patient reports and other classified informations which will be needed by the management for the later use. The later use of the patient is stored and kept for the later use. The patient health reports are automatically generated and stored, and also can be received a hard copy from the front desk. So it will be very easy for the reference of the patient health condition. Database of SRS. Mandatory patient information. Mandatory patient information. Every patient has some necessary data like phone number, their first name and last name, the personal health number, postal code, country, address, city, patient's number ID, etc. Updating information and of patient. The hospital management system enables user to update the information of the patient as described in the mandatory information included. That means that every information can be updated by the hospital itself, by the hospital management itself. We can see about non-functional requirements. There are lots of software requirements specifications, lots of software requirement specifications included in the non-functional requirements of the hospital management system, which contains various processes, namely security, performance, maintainability, scalability, and reliability. We can see about security first. The software is a complete secure place to store all the crucial data. The security comes first. We can assure for security in our software. The software is designed in such a way that no browsers or like Google or Firefox can use this used and to access the data. Since this is the word Windows Windows based software, it in default can be accessed only by the Internet Explorer within a few instructions to avoid the third man. Login ID. Any users who use to the software needs to hold a login ID and password. Only with the login ID and password they can access. Without that they cannot access that. So security is very much blinded. Modifications. Any modifications like insert, delete, update, etc. for the database can be synchronized quickly and execute only by the ward administrator. Only the ward administrator can do this. Rest of them like patients cannot do this. Only ward administration can do this. Front desk staff rights. The staff in the front desk can view the data in the hospital management system and add new patient records in HMS about, but they do not have rights to alter any data in it, because the staffs in the front desk cannot make any alter in that. They can only create an account with a username and ID. Administrator rights. We can see about the administrator rights now. The administrator can view as well as they can alter any information in the hospital management. That means that we can alter any records, any database. The information will only be transmitted to the receiver with end-to-end encryption. Okay, end-to-end encryption, and maintained across the log for each and every access. So the security is the first thing we are doing. The security comes first here. Without security, the software does not run. We can update every security updates, like the greater that's coming in the greater days. We can update the new versions. Upcoming versions we can update. Till date, the security updates are done. We can do it. Performance. Response time. The system provides an acknowledgement within a fraction of a second once the patient information is checked. Capacity. Multiple access to the data servers at the same time is allowed without a lag and data fetch. User interface. The user interface is designed in a way that it will be a flexible workshop to manage and maintain in a professional workspace. Now we can see about the system requirements. System requirements. The software itself requires a Microsoft Azure server to store the data. It requires a receiver in a end with every steps who need the access to server to receive other messages, because we are sending the messages, right? We are sending the messages to the user, and from the user, no, from the hospital management to the user. That means the user means like that, the patients, right? We are sending that message. So that we need this Microsoft Azure server. The receiver only requires the basic specification setup in the updating and receiving the hospital data. With the basic setup in updating and receiving hospital data, they can use this software without any cybersecurity threats.